Hi, good afternoon everybody. I'm doing now this Boogeyman 2. I was trying to find a better way to explain it, especially for the last question. I will do my best, guys. If someone has better solution, you can share it in the comments. So it's Boogeyman 2 is follower to the Boogeyman 1, but this time is basically phishing. The introduction of the Boogeyman is by sending a phishing email. We have volatility to use, and I have only VBA, two things we can use. Now let's start with that. If we go to desktop, they already give us the artifact, and they give us an email, so we can use evolution is already installed in the computer. No, I'm not importing, just cancel. Where are you? Oh, we should import. Why you like to import? Look, okay, this is the email. Let's make it bigger. Where is he? Okay, application, office, evolution is there. Let's open. I don't need you, so let's make it bigger. In the inbox that we just opened it, that's the email. Let's see. Okay, this is our email. You can see there was an email sent from this West Taylor to the HR company from Mexis back. He said, I'm writing to express my interest in job in IT, so it means it's a very clear job, resume application for junior IT analysis role. So basically they send an email, sorry, pretending to be looking for job, including Java, Python, C++, and they give the attachment. We can save this attachment, for example, save it, put it in the desktop, save it there, so we know that. So let's start quickly the question. The first question is easy. So what was the email used to send the phishing? It's this one. Copy email, it's Tyler email, so that's one. The next one, what email of the victim employee? The victim employee is Maxine Becker, so we can copy the email, copy email address. Let's remove that, the rest. Then what is the name of the attached malicious document? The name is here, the attachment is here, Resume Wesley Tyler. So it's Resume Wesley Tyler doc. So they send it as a doc argument. I ask us for the MD5. The MD5 I can just go, for example here, CD desktop. I'll just do MD. Let's stop this noise, I don't like him. Mute MD5, some desktop, Resume Tyler. So we got MD5. Okay, now instead, what's the URL down on the stage based on document? So it's macro, so we need to use that only VBA to extract. So it's docstag, say the document. That's what we have. Okay, so if we look what we have, here is very clear here. He said you can see they define the path in program data. Download the file from this address, is downloading update.png, and then save it as .gs, so it's pretending to be an image, and that's it. So we have the, wherever is that, so the file download is of course this. You can see the get, and then it tells us that there is suspicious, it's an open write, may write a file, and then you said IUC, we have the update.js, and the script that run is WS script, executable file name. So we know where the stage 2, remember stage 1, what the hell? Stage 1 is the phishing email, so stage 2 is downloading the file. What is the name of the process that executes the newly downloaded stage? If you look here, after it's downloaded, you rename it to update.js, then executed using this script. Then what is the full file path of the malicious stage 2 payload? Stage 2 payload, you can see, is this one because it's downloaded. Remember I said the directory is this, so we already have the path. Now we talk PID, so now we need to go to Volatility, the one that we have. So we need to go to desktop, artifact. We can see now we have the raw file. So we can do vol -f wk. You can see with the option. It's a window, so we can go with all these things. So the most one we do, just keep that there, and we can do vol -f wk. We can say windows dot ps3. Let's start with psscan dot psscan. Let's let that one run. We can also do vol -f wk psscan, and then there's ps3, and then ps p, where is the p? ps3, psscan, and pslist. Let's try all of them. pslist, windows dot pslist dot pslist, and then we can do vol -f w ps3 windows ps3. That's very funny the way they took the names. Okay, still it's start. Let's do the cache. Let's wait for it. So basically is that we'll get the PID, and then what you use to download the malicious bindings by the stage 2 payload. This question is a bit confusing for me, but let's do something. And also we need a network, the connection network. We can go to nets scan network scan. Where is it? Statistics. Net scan Windows net scan. Let's open another tab. Okay, we open it here. We're done from that, so we can open it here as CD desktop artifact. So it's a vol -f w, and that's good. So we need this will give us the internet network connection. So let's see if we got anything. It's still 91%. That one. So we have the network. We have this will give us the processes. Now how the hell we can get this? This is another. It was confusing and still confusing for me. The next one. With the command line C this one. We need to see the command line that's been used. So we can say vol -f wk. Give me the command line. Let it run. Okay, the network it's done. You can see the IP is already here, and you can see the process update updata.exe is calling this IP with port 880. You can see this one. So the rest of the IPs is local. You can see it's also here, the updata, because this is Outlook, so this is a normal one the first time I was downloading. So we are more interested in let's first do the history of these things. So we know the email came, there is an email came. So the first stage was the phishing email, the second stage was this, the execution of this. So if we go now here, this one, where is it, Outlook, you can see there's an updater here, and then we can see the we look for this WS script. Where is it? Where are you hiding? www. We can call it grep w to make sure it's there, so it's not hidden for me. This is the PS list. The PS list temp. You can see the same process updata. You can see this is the parent. No, this is the process PID, and this is the parent. Because if you go to the top, you can see this is the parent, this is the PID. So we have them here. So this command is already showed it, so it's there. Okay, we'll have is the same 4260 and 1124. So we can easily answer the question here. That's the PID of it is, and then you can see, where is it? This is the process number, and then this is the parent. We will explain quickly now this story. In the tree it give you more answer, because in the tree it would be the relation between the processes. So if we look now, the Outlook is a start with 1440. So this Word, like a Word document, you see the Word document has is these two processes, this one and this one, the parent 114. Look to this one. Opening the Word document, because 1124 is the parent, so you see the 4260 start, the process 4260 start, and you can see they are related. That's why the tree, it's good. The PS tree, it gives you the chronological order of the processes. So then 462 is the parent, the process number now is become the parent of the updater. So this executed this later after this one, because it means after they execute this, there is a new process start called updata.exe, and then after that the 6 to 16 you can see is a parent here to this one. That's the connection host. So we know there's a file called updata.exe. Now if you look here, this is the commands. You see the file path updata.exe, and then you see this the W script. It was doing this, which is this one basically, and then we can see the Word document here, like an Outlook. You can see the Outlook. It has, you see, it's already saved in this CN, like, so this is the C program, the Outlook, and that's why the attachment was saved. You can see, where is it? So if this one give you the answer for what is the full path of the malicious email attachment using in the memory dump, based on the memory dump. So the memory dump tell you that's why the win word, it was saved in this one. You can see, where is it? That's Tyler, Izumi Weisler Tyler. And then it gives us also this update.exe. I remember this www, also we saw it here. Is doing connection to this update. You can see the process update.exe is connecting to this IP and 880. So we can see another command here. If we go with the time, chronological order of time, this where is it? I'm still learning about these volatility things, but so bear with me. I'm not really 100% with it. So we can do this. For example, we can say vol minus f w and do a chronological order. Let's see, push it on the file called time.txt. Let it run this one, because this one, what it do is run all relevant plugin, like almost all of them that provide time related information. I want to show you this connection, so you can see this is, you see now the question. I'm coming back. Oh no, this one. I'm coming back to this this question. What's the PID omission process used to establish city connection? We can see the connection is happening here to this IP 1289 and port 880. So we know the IP 880. So that one is that one. The full path of the stick, we know this because this update, we can see from the output of the command line, it gives you exactly where is it. It's here, Windows update.exe. Now the PID, of course, the PID you can get it from anywhere, from the tree, for example, from the tree. This is not the tree, this is the tree. So if we go the update.exe, that's the process. Now we have this and this. No, I played around with too many things. Now, one of the things is I tried to do this. For example, this is the command line. It doesn't give you really, it's like a last question. Last question is all about shadow. So the command line wasn't running the shadow or something. So let that one run. What I tried many times, a type function will tell you, then give you the way from the shortcut to solve this. So one way to do it, you need to dump the process. For example, I said, if you look here, the tree, there's an execution in a command here. So what exactly it was done in this part, we have that one, but I thought get. So the process is 6932. Let me create a directory. Make directory to 6393. Just put that. No. Home. Make directory 693, and they can get vol minus f and w minus o directory that they created just now, 6393, and then I want to do this, the memory dump. This one, print the memory map. I just want to show you something. Then the PID, of course, I want to concentrate on this process. So the process, this one. So it's a 6932. 6932, and let's say dump for me. Let it work. You see now this one is work. If I go to Vim time, because they come in chronological order and time. This one you can let me show you here what happened when you can do all this. You can see what it say. Process 612 update.s local address, this remote address, you see the one that we have here, which is exactly this. Remember, we got it through the network, and this one it's more give you time whatever happened in this system. It's a big file here, this one. So basically what exactly the system, like this updater, what he's doing is loading the PowerShell or something. I was looking to find, because remember the last question talked about shader. The shader, it means we need, this is the command sch tasks, that's supposed to be for the command. No, but when I search for sorry, oops, I did a mistake. Let me go back, hold on a minute. So if I search in task here, doesn't really proload task camp task next. There's no load task SHD, load wherever things, but doesn't give me really task. How then do that? So there is no really that. Now it took me really figuring out how to get so we know it's connecting now. For example, now there's two questions left for us. The year you can guess it, because we know the file is update.exe and is downloading from this, so you can assume it's downloading the same file there. So you can assume, like, if you don't even to work on it, you can just copy this and just there and just put update.exe, because it's the same place. Now but the issue is I was following this ROM, because for example in this ROM also they do, for example they tell you dump the velocity, dump for example the mmap, the PID, and then search. It didn't work for me, to be honest, because when I went through to find here, for example now we got this, the so if I go to strings, the folder is 69. Oh, what happened? We did a mistake or what? We got 6932. Why we did 6932? Oh, yeah, that's correct. So the folder is wrong. That's fine. It's not an issue. No, where is the folder? So strings 6. So we have that. I can just grab. So it's a command line. So let's say if it has sch task, for example. You see this one? Let's do -i minus C10. Let's put more lines between the text. So the only thing I saw is this. So I said to myself, you can see, is running command. You can see this one. I don't know why we didn't see it here when we run the command. So if you look here, it say command PowerShell write bytes s creates minute, run every, I don't know, every 3 or something. Then the name is run command equals set, and I thought this is the command, but it's not a correct answer. Now if I go also look for domain, that the Boogeyman, you can see now the Boogeyman domain dot allow. It's not in the command itself. You can see it gave me the first URL. Remember the first URL that we did there? It gave me the first one. So it seems the first command it has the information for the first one, but I don't know why it doesn't have. So if I go here and ask for updata, oh, let's remove that C10 for now. You see, we have the updata X here in this PID 6932, but it's not really giving me anything that relate to information where you got it from. So you say successful, the scheduled task update has successfully been created, but doesn't give me any information about how to get what command line was used for it. Now when I was doing this, also I was thinking, like, where is the tree? The tree, it said we know this one is done. The update XE is 6 to 12. So if I go the same process with 4 to 60, so 4 to 60, I can create, let's say I create a new make directory 4 to 60. Let's make sure we are not doing things wrong. So let's take this process 4 to 60, and let's do the same command we did now. Process 4 to 60, and then so if we dump, what the hell I did? This is the 4 to 60. Now, so basically you can do that. Also, there is another command you can get. You can dump the memory or dump files. Where is the Windows dump files? So I thought also to use this one, because also it's possible to use this one too. And then I can create make directory. Let's go files. So vol -f w -o files. Now I want to dump whatever there in that file. Maybe we can let's dump the whole thing. And then here's the tricky part. This one is always stuck for whatever reason. Now when then what I did, I just said, hold on a minute, I just did this strings why are you not working? Strings straight read the memory, the whole damn files, and then grab -I sch task. Remember this, the command. Watch this. Now let's see. Interesting, when you do this command, it showed me this, which I already got it from the first one. But now there is something new happening. Look what's it show here. This interesting. So when I ask a string to go straight to the memory file, now suddenly that's the file. You can see create math and at 9 o'clock the name is updated tr. So I assume that's the end of it. That's the command, all of it. And then that's the answer. Establishing listener HTTP stored in Microsoft Windows current version. Debug with update daily trigger at 9. You see. So if I do this, basically that's the answer. Now, before we jump now, get happy, you can see now the question is, what I didn't get, why I'm not getting this using the normal plugin here. Like for example, I tried another one, is the registry key. Registry, where is the registry? I almost didn't want to do this thing because I couldn't really find a better way to explain it. So because this one is still running, let it run. No, let it run, but let's get the registry somewhere here. Vol minus F, that's now I want to do the registry key minus H. So I thought to do this, but it didn't work for me. So if I thought to give it a key, and the key basically it's the same as this one. You remember what we got? No, you see now, where are you? You see this? Because this is a famous key when you have in Windows. So I thought if it didn't work me, maybe it worked now when I'm recording. So if we do that, so wait, because I didn't. This one is like you doing string command straight to the row of memory file, and then okay, see now there's nothing. So this did give me error. I don't know why. So software debug, most recent call, symbol table name, and even this you can see now the string command was able to. But why? What my question, if anybody can help, is can we get this using one of this command? Why this is plugin? So remember now this one is still opening. Look, for example, now also we can do this. This one of course stuck. I don't know why it's never working for me. It's never finished. Even this string command, if I ask it to grab the domain Boogeyman, let it grab it slowly. So this one, the 4260, you can see this is supposed to have now Control C, the interpret strings 4260. You can if I do grab update. Okay, let's grab because it didn't finish, it will not give me the answer. Let's so this file is almost useless, doesn't have any information. I look, if I search for ch task, nothing. You can see now we can find, okay, there's, look, that's the URL for the update. You see is downloaded. So basically running string directly can give you the information. That's the URL there. So that's there, so we know it's working. Let me see what folder we did it. ls files. You see now I'm packing the whole file in there. It's not finished yet. You can do this per processes, like you select the process, because that's what it selected. I thought maybe if we get that I can get the information, but I tried this, I tried that, I'm not sure what I'm missing. So if anyone have an idea, I would like if someone give me a hint. So basically now, where is it? It's too many files. ls files, oops, ls files. Yeah, let's push let's see if a string can work now in that file. Files, all of them. Let's say grep minus I sch tasks. Let's see if it has anything on it. I know it's not finished yet, so let's see what it can go. Error dumping file, error, okay, just maybe we'll be lucky. So that's why I said this is with a string command you can get all of them. So this, I don't know why this is the answer for last question. I don't know why we couldn't get this through the other one. How long this file to? There's too many files. Even string is dead. In any case, that's basically what the room is. So we have the PS scan, we have the PS list and PS tree, we have the command. We can check the history of the command. We can, oh, that's the thinny key. No, it's still running. Oh, it's too many of them. No such file. Oh, because it's copying. I would like to wait for it, but it's taking long. Because we're using now this command, the dump command, dump file. Where is it again? Dump file, dump cached file content from Windows memory sample. So basically now, like, we're going with the hard way. Give me everything. Oh, it's finished now, so we can run again so he output all the file that inside the memory. So crypto, all everything. Now can you see, now that's the issue. I don't get why SCH tasks doesn't work. You can get even why doesn't, you can find it. Even the updater knows. You think you get some. There's Control C, Control XE. I dumped the file, but it seems why in this place you can find them, but in this one I can't find them. In any case, guys, if someone have a better solution, please let me know. That's my best. I thought to do the room, maybe it helps someone. And yeah, thank you very much and have a good day.